The Mardon skipper butterfly. This butterfly, not a moth, I know what you're thinking, it looks kind of like a moth, it's actually a butterfly, is critically endangered in Washington state. Look at that cute little fuzzy body and the bright orange one with wings. Oh, it's so adorable. Unfortunately, we're killing it. And one of the ways that we're harming this butterfly is getting rid of the native plants that it depends upon. Unfortunately, this butterfly is not migratory, which means it stays mainly in this region of Washington, west of the Cascades, a little bit into British Columbia, a little bit into Oregon, and maybe also in Northern California, and it relies heavily upon our native plants. Native plants such as the blue-eyed grass, Romer's fescue, and early blue violet. Romer's fescue is one of our native grasses and it looks so great in the garden. Here, let me show you. This is Romer fescue and it's currently in bloom, actually going to seed, and it has a very faint purple effect to it. It's very soft to the touch and it's very light and feathery. Not only is it a larval host plant for this butterfly, it also provides shelter for many of our bees. It's important that we plant larval host site plants that are native to our region because plants such as the butterfly bush do the complete opposite. They actually do not provide any food for the babies. They only provide nectar, but it takes the butterflies away from the plants that they actually should be going to, and they think, oh, I can lay my eggs here. They lay their babies there and the babies don't make it. That's why it's so important to plant native plants, and not only just one or two. You have to plant multiple types of native plants. So I have the blue-eyed grass, but unfortunately it didn't make it, so I have to replant it. I have the early blue violet, and now I have Romer's fescue. The violets and the blue-eyed grass provide nectar for the adult butterflies, but this provides a safe place for its larvae so that the babies can live on it, eat it, and then grow up and become butterflies again. It's important that we save these butterflies because they're pollinating our plants, plants that are also our food sources. Not only that, but butterflies are a food source for birds and other animals. So when you're looking at your garden, you have to change your mindset. Look at it as, how can I best benefit the pollinators, not as what makes it pretty to my eye. Because at the end of the day, the plants are more for them than they are for us.